Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a slightly different video. It's a how I create my mood boards. I'm doing this video right now because I thought it'd be quite relaxing for you guys to just watch my process of how I do it. I use my iPad Pro and in this video I'm using Adobe Draw to do it, but you can also use Photoshop and you can do this on your phone. It's obviously just a little bit harder on your phone because it's a smaller screen, but you can totally do it on your phone as well. I thought this would just be a good time to do this because it's definitely something that you can do at home. If you're self-isolating and you're stuck in the house and you're really bored, then I really advise you to go off and make your own mood board. You kind of zone out while you're making it, so it really just makes the time go past really fast, but also in a good way because you feel like really just creative and you're just in the zone. You're not thinking about anything else while you're doing it. The process that I use, I get all my images first. I get these on either Pinterest. I get a lot of images off Pinterest, and I also get them off weHeartt, and also obviously just on Instagram itself in my saved folder. I save, as you can see here, all the images first, and then I start layering them on Adobe Draw. If a photo is not quite the right tone for what I like, I do put my filter on it as well, like this one, just to make it fit. You obviously don't have to do that because I'm guessing your mood boards will look very different to mine because everyone's look different. There's no right or wrong. It's just letting your creativeness flow and just go with it and make something super cool, and it's really inspiring to look at. Like once you're finished and you look at it, it just makes you feel really inspired and motivated because obviously all the images that you're using in your own personal mood board are all images you love, so looking at them as a whole in a really aesthetically pleasing way, it just makes you feel some kind of way. I just highly recommend it. So if you do make your own mood boards, then please let me see them on Instagram. Either put them on your stories, because I really recommend sharing them with your followers or your friends or your family because they're really inspiring to look at. But if you don't want to put it and share it with the world, then please just share it with me and just like send it to me in my DM or something, because I would really love to see them. I know you guys are super aesthetic as well, so I'd really love to see the mood boards that you create. I'm sure some of you make these already on the daily, so definitely send them my way because I love a good mood board. I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video because I think it'll be more relaxing just to watch the process coming together, and you can see it coming together like as I'm doing it. Like obviously this was just filmed in one take of me literally just sitting there making the mood board. So I'm going to let you just get on and watch me put together my favorite inspiring images, from interior to fashion, beauty, and also just some shots that I just really love. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys.